let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our WTI crude oil, on our AUDUSD, by the way. So make sure you click on the subscribe button if you are not yet a subscriber. Make sure you like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. So let's start with our trend on AUDUSD. So if you have to zoom it out on our daily time frame, this is very clear that AUDUSD is a bullish move, right? We can see a movement to the upside that AUDUSD is in us. Now let's start with this movement right here. This is our first high that AUDUSD did give us, right? Now here comes the higher low. Market was able to push up one more time to form a new higher high right here. The market pull back again to form an equal higher low. So in an option market, it's either you have an higher high and an higher low, or an higher high and an equal higher low. Which market did form right here, which is an equal higher low. Now market was able to push up again to form another higher high, and here is the higher low. Now one more movement was made again that formed a new higher high, and this is the higher low. Now market was able to push up one more time right here, which is an higher high, and this is the higher low right here. So market is now giving us this bullish move, and it is now cleared this our previous high, thereby forming a new high, which is not yet over. So we will still expect more further movement to the upside to completely take out this previous high, thereby giving us a full bigger higher high. So more bullish move is what we are going to be expecting on AUDUSD. So we will be expecting more bullish move on AUDUSD. So all you just need to do is you can wait for your pullback if you want, which I think it will be safe, by the way. Wait for your pullback on your AUDUSD and then going for the buy. So once the London session opens, be looking for your buy setup on AUDUSD. More updates on AUDUSD will be covered for you guys. So click on the subscribe button in order for you not to miss out on any single updates.